The following message is transmitted at the request of the Allegheny County Emergency Services Department. At 8:07 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on August 9, an earthquake with preliminary magnitude of 5.1 occurred near Sparta, North Carolina. Widespread damage has occurred in Sparta, with collapsed homes and structures, damaged water mains and cracked, deformed roads. A state of emergency has been declared by the mayor for the town of Sparta. No travel is advised throughout Sparta as structures, homes, and roads are damaged or destroyed.